Hello, good evening, everyone. How are you all? Today, after a very long time, I have made one interesting topic for you all. This was not requested, nothing, but I just thought to share with you. And it's not that I don't know about it, it's very good topic. Which are two stories which I liked a lot till in my literature for everyone. Means from both the point of view I'm speaking by perspective of understanding also, because till you don't understand something, you cannot interpret and enjoy it. And secondly, children friendly are there. So, first story is tit for tat, Jashas Tase. See, I have given this two names in Marathi, but even I know Marathi very well. But see, whatever my time limit is there, in that I cannot speak in both languages. So if you want in Marathi or Hindi or in any other language, you can comment me. I would surely do that. So in this video, I will give you three things. First is the total background of story. Second is explanation, and third is even translation. And whatever you have learned words still in English, you will get to know about their meanings in Sanskrit. That is a very enlightening experience. So let us begin with it. Let us go. Yes, the curtain is being opened. I try to use some animations in this video now. Yeah. Name of the story is Shatham Prati Shatyam. Means tit for tat. Yeah. This is the story of fox and crane, which you may have already learned, but now in Sanskrit. Bakasya Shrugalasya cha mitrata asti. Means there was a friendship between fox and a crane. Ekda Shrugalah Bakam Bhojanartham Swagruham Avhayati. Don't take tension. These are maybe a little lengthy sentences, but easy to understand. Ekda, once, fox to the crane for dinner in his personal home called. Just rearrange it in correct order. Once, a fox called the crane in his personal home for dinner. Here it may be a dinner, maybe a lunch. It's bhojan, no, means for having, generally we consider lunch or dinner. Shrugalah sthalikayam payasam pariveshayati. See here you can see that nothing difficult words are used. Only let lakar is used here because the story is mostly in your this thing. Let lakar only. But somewhere if there will be any problem, I will just tell you. Sthalikayam in the plate. I'm trying to highlight it. Yeah. In the plate, he payasam. Payasam. Payasam means your kheer, or like that. A sweet liquidy substance is your payasam. Bakasya chanchuhu dirgha asti. Dirgha long. Chanchuhu, this is chanchu. Whatever I usually tell now students, whenever you see a picture related to story, see here you have given the picture. So immediately what you do, you just mark like you do in science. You can mark that this thing is this is chanchu. So you can write here like that. So here I have also written, my handwriting is not that good, but somewhat I'm trying to practice. So you can write here like this, chanchu. Okay, I'll just erase it all. Yeah. स्थालिकायां परिवेशितं पायसं बकः खादितुं न शक्नोति. The payasam, the kheer which was served in the plate, was not able to be eaten by the crane. Why? Because his beak was long. Now in his beak only 1 2 ml of that kheer will come. How can he enjoy and relish it? If he would have given a long that thing which you can see, long conical flask like this, then he would have easily eaten that kheer. But it was not possible for this Shrugal. In the stories we find Shrugalas are mostly, culprits. Here also he is one of the culprit. Next, Shrugalah tasya upahasam karoti. Upahasam means मजाक उडाना, कुणाची तरी टिंगल उडवणे, उपहास करणे, उपवास नाही. Means he was very happy to see that miserable condition of crane. पुनः कदाचित् बकः शृगालं भोजनार्थं स्वगृहम् आह्वयति. At the next time, Crane called the frogs to his home for the dinner. Next day or some other day, तदा सः गलन्तिकायां पायसं परिवेशयति. At that time, he served the kheer in the conical flask. Now, galantika means this conical jar or flask. You can just mark it. Sthalika means a plate. You can draw a plate over there. गलन्तिकायां परिवेशितं पायसं शृगालः खादितुं न शक्नोति. Now it was similar, na? This crane cannot eat the kheer which was served in a plate. Similarly, the kheer which was served in a conical glass was not able to be eaten by this. Was able was was not to be able to be eaten by this fox. So it is very clear that what a tit for tat is done in this story. Now, Bakah tasya upahasam karoti. Again, similarly, that crane also did the, mazak udana of this fox. Shrugalaha avagachati. Mama purva krutasya etat phalam. Now, no, the fox said in a rude manner, not a rude manner, in a shameful manner, that my earlier deeds are repeated on me again. Phalam means fruit, bone of fruit. Iti. Sa mitrasya kshamam prarthate. Prarthate, it is in let lakar only, but it's a atmanepad. He asked his friend to forgive him. Tayoho maitri drudha bhavati. Their friendship became stronger. Now, only two things I want you all to remember. That this pariveshitam is tarupam. Tarupam, pariveshitam you can see here. Even pariveshitam is tarupam means kartruvachya bhutakala dhatu sadhita vitrishana. See, don't take tension about it. I will tell you in my some or the other video. What is it? So now, let's go to the next. Yes, so this is also one of the type of animation. Hope you will be able to see it. Next story is Satyapriya Kashtika, when it's honest woodcutter. This is your story and this is a reference picture. Ekah Kashtikah Kashtachedanaartham Vanam Gachati means one woodcutter went to the forest for cutting trees. Kashtachedanaartham. Kashtha wood, Chedana means cutting and Artham means for cutting wood. Vanam Gachati because trees are available in forest only. अनवधानात् तस्य हस्तात् कुठारः जले पतत् means in some no reason because of some वेंगळेपण आपण म्हणतो ना अनावधानाने अ अ काय म्हणतात त्याला axe fall from his hand into the water means river. सः चिंताकुलः भवति. He got tensed. Anybody would be tense ना. मेरी भी अगर एक रुपए का कॉइन भी गलती से जमीन पर गिर जाता है, I get tension. That person उसका एक्स गिर गया इतना महंगा, मतलब धंधा ही बंद हो गया. So he got tensed. तदा तत्र देवः आगच्छति. Normally we have seen in our stories that a devi comes, but here devah. It's like change होता है ना भाषा के. See, this is devah. So you can mark. This is devah, kutarah, kashtikah, vanam. Okay. Devah jale majjati. Dev fall into the water nahi. Dev swam into the water. He got into the water. अब इसका लोग ना मराठी लोग मतलब मेरे ही कुछ फ्रेंड्स उसका बहुत से गलत अर्थ निकालते हैं। मज्जति मीन्स एंजॉयज, सो इट्स नॉट द केस. It just goes into the water. Suvarna Kutharam Gruhitva Bahi Agachati. He took the golden axe and came out of the water. Suvarna Kutharam means golden axe. Okay. Now हम होते तो ललचा जाते कि भाई दे दे, सोने का तो सोने का दे दे. स वदति अपि एषः तव कुटारः, मीन्स इज दिस योर axe. So Kashtikah vadati, na eshaha mama kutarah, means this is not my axe. कितना भाई सच्चा आदमी है, इसको तो अवार्ड देना चाहिए. This is not my axe. तदनंतरम देवः रौप्य कुठारम दर्शयति. रौप्य कुठारम means silver. अब सोने की नहीं चाहिए बंदे को, अब सिल्वर दे रहे हैं भगवान. अब बंदे को सिल्वर भी नहीं चाहिए. Kashtikah tadapi न स्वीकरोति. He didn't even accept the silver one. So कितना selfless आदमी है ये. ना सोना, ना हीरा, ना मोती, ना सिल्वर, चाहिए तो अपना ही. अन्ते देवः लोह कुठारम आनयति. लोह कुठारम means the axe which was made of iron. अब आपको देख सकते हैं ना, उसके हाथ से जो आयन का ही गिर गया था, तो उसने आयन का ही देने का वादा किया. Kashtikah vadati, Am, Isha eva mama kutarah. Am means yes, this is only my axe. अब बोलते हैं ना मेरी है तो मुझे दे दो. प्रसन्नः देवः तस्मै सर्वान् कुठारान् यच्छति. भगवान भी बड़े सेल्फलेस थे. शंकर भगवान थे शायद. सो प्रसन्न होके उन्होंने सारी एक्सेस उन्हें दे दी. अहो काष्टिकस्य निस्पृहता सत्यप्रियता च, means alas the selflessness and truthfulness of this Kashtika woodcutter. ओके भाई, हो गया आज का वीडियो इतना ही. थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग मी सो पेशेंटली. एंड आपको अगर अच्छी स्टोरीज ऐसी पसंद है हुई हो, इस वीडियो को लाइक्स का एम नहीं रखना चाहिए मुझे, मैं ऐसा कोई हकदार भी नहीं हूँ. बट या अगर आपको स्टोरीज पसंद आई, मेरी कुछ भी पसंद आया हो, तो बस लाइक कर देना, शेयर कर देना, सब्सक्राइब भी कर दीजिए. एंड सब्सक्राइब कर दोगे तो मोटिवेशन आ जाता है. So I'll meet you with next video, something interesting, something likely. Thank you.